Hello friends, welcome to Excel World YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to get the day of week, month, year and month plus year using the text functions. So let's go to the Excel workbook and see the examples. So here in this table I have only dates. So based on this we can get the day of week and then month and then year and month plus year. So let's see. Now go to the day of week column. So press equal to sign. I'm going to use the text function to get all these values. The text. So my value is date. So now for format text, so just inverted comma, open inverted comma, type 4 times D to get the day of week, close the inverted comma and close the bracket, then press enter. Okay, now it's showing day of the week. Just copy and apply to the rest of the cells. Now let's look at the month. So again, I'm going to use the text functions. Text, my value is date. Okay, for month I'm going to use 4 times m. So just open inverted comma, m, close inverted comma, close the bracket. Sorry, close the bracket. Press enter. Copy the same and apply to the rest of the cells. See now, the same way I'm going to capture the year. So use text. My value is date. So open inverted comma. Now 4 times y, that is year. Okay, it's showing here now. Now I'm going to capture both year and month and year. So for that same function I'm going to use text, but there's a little change in that. I'm not going to capture the entire month. I'm going to capture only the 3 letters of the month. Okay, for that just so I'm going to enter 3 times m, then dash, then last 2 letter of years. So 2 times y, close the inverted bracket, sorry, inverted comma, then close the bracket, press enter. See now, let's copy this and apply it to the rest of the cells. I'm just to apply the filter and then see how it is captured. So day of week, it's captured entire month, almost it's showing from till September. Okay, year is it's captured only the data belongs to 2022. That's why it's showing only the year 2022. Let's see the month and year. So it's captured the month and year. Okay, hope this. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.